The GDPR strongly encourages the use of data protection safeguards such as anonymization, pseudonymization, and data minimization. This is part 1 of our 3-part series, Data Anonymization Simplified. Note, however, that all 3 techniques can be applied concurrently to the same file. Data anonymization is a key topic under GDPR. But apart from being difficult to spell, what exactly does it mean? Data anonymization is the use of one or more techniques such as blanking, hashing, or masking of personal identifiers, which are designed to make it impossible to identify an individual from a data set. Personal data that has been anonymized is no longer deemed personal data, and therefore is not subject to the GDPR, thus enabling businesses to use the data for much wider purposes without violating the data protection rights of the data subjects. Let's consider a simple example. A marketing department in a bank needs to conduct quarterly statistical analysis to see which products are selling the most and which the least, so they can determine where to focus their marketing efforts and budget. IT have been tasked with transferring data from the customer order entry database to a database in the marketing department, so they can do just this. Pre-GDPR, marketing had received a full extract from the order entry database, including telephone numbers belonging to the customers associated with each purchase order. As a telephone number can be traced back to an individual, it is therefore considered to be personal data. Under GDPR, it is essential to restrict access to personal data, especially if it is not required for that specific legitimate business purpose, and if it is not aligned with the consent of the data subject. Marketing can still perform this task without such personal data, because in this example, all they need to see are the overall numbers of orders for each product and the period in which they were sold. The application of appropriate anonymization techniques using Wizooda enables the IT department to irreversibly anonymize the personally identifiable elements in the dataset as part of the transfer process, making it impossible to identify the data subjects. At the same time, marketing can still fulfill their task. The telephone number pre-anonymization equals 01-484-7210. The telephone number post-anonymization equals 01 #######. If you would like to learn more about how Wizooda's anonymization feature works, please contact us today.